This 5-minute solution will show you how to send a scheduled message on Telegram. You can easily send a scheduled message on Telegram. Just follow these quick steps and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, open your Telegram app and open the conversation where you want to send a scheduled message. Then simply write the message. Then tap and hold on the send button. Tap on schedule message. Now select the date and time to schedule message. Tap on send. And that's how we can schedule message on Telegram. To see your schedule message list, again open the conversation, tap on the schedule or clock icon, and here you will get your scheduled message. Now tap and hold on the message. Now you can edit the message, you can delete the message, you can send the message now. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.